Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide followers and following on Instagram. So to do this process, first thing is open up the Instagram application into your device. So guys, one thing that I could tell you to hide your followers and following list on Instagram, the only option that you could try by the Instagram features is making your account private, which restricts visibility to only approved followers. So, in order for you to make your account private, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then over here, you can just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and now, guys, over here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here account privacy. So, guys, when you make your account private, when someone followed you, you must approve them. And once you have approved them, they should be able to see your list of following or followers. But if you did not approve them, they should not be able to see it. Now, guys, if you want specific users to hide your followers and following, you would just simply go ahead and block the specific user by just simply go ahead and go to their profile and select the three dots on the top right corner, and you should be able to see the block icon. Now, another feature that you could try is you could just simply go to your profile, go to the three lines on the top right corner, and from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you will have an option over here, limit interactions. It will reduce unwanted interactions without hiding the list itself. So pretty much this is all the features that you could try in order for you to hide followers and following on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.